In this video, I'm going to show you how to graph your data and to also draw the best fit line. So first, we're going to click on the plus button and go to Table. And now you'll see two columns. The first column that we're going to use this for is going to be the number of pasta strands. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And so this is what's going to be on your x-axis. The second column is going to be for the variable you want to be on for the y-axis, and in our lab, Spaghetti Bridge Lab, this would be the number of marbles or the number of washers. Okay, so now that we have this, if you look on the graph, you don't really see this graph, but if you click on the plus symbol, you're going to see the dots now. It's going to magnify that. So that little plus circle plus button right here on the left, make sure you click on that. That will magnify the graph and makes it nice and big. The next thing we're going to do is to label our graph. So click on the little wrench on the top right hand corner. For the x-axis, we're going to write pasta strands for our particular lab. And then on the y-axis, it will be the number of marbles or washers, whichever one you used. Okay. And then to draw the best fit line, what we'll do is we'll go back to the plus here and create another space here. And we're going to create an expression. So an expression is just like an equation. And the equation you're going to type in, the template for this is going to be y1 and then tilde. It's like the wavy symbol. It's on top left of your keyboard, mx1 plus b. And when you do this, you'll notice that you get a best fit line. So it's not connected dots. It doesn't touch all the dots, but it is a straight line, and it's as close to as many dots as possible. And you'll see that your slope is right here. So here's your slope, and this is your y-axis. So after you have this graph, you have the best fit line, you may want to share this graph or download this graph. And the way you do that is you go to the top right hand corner where it says share graph. If you click on it, it's like a little square with an arrow. You click on there, and then here you can just copy the link so other people can access it, or you can export image. So I can click export image, and once you're here, you can click on download PNG, and then you can download that to your computer.